In today's video, I'm going to show you how to test Wix site issues directly inside Wix Studio, so you can catch problems before your site goes live or before your clients ever see them. This is especially useful if you're building responsive sites, working with multiple breakpoints, or trying to improve accessibility and performance. Wix Studio has a built-in site checker that many people overlook, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use it step by step. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Wix Studio tips and tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, go to Wix Studio. Open your browser and head over to the Wix Studio editor. Then open the site you want to test. Make sure you're inside the Studio editor and not the classic Wix editor, because the tools we're using today are specific to Wix Studio. Once your site loads, take a moment to ensure you're on the correct page that you want to test, since some checks can be run per page. Next, click on Site Checker. You'll usually find this option in the editor interface, and this tool is designed to help you identify responsive issues, accessibility problems, and other potential site errors. When you click on Site Checker, Wix Studio will show you different options for scanning and fixing issues automatically, or guiding you through manual fixes. Now, click on Fix Responsive Issues. This step is extremely important if your site uses multiple screen sizes or custom layouts. Wix Studio will analyze how your elements behave across breakpoints and look for layout problems such as overlapping elements, misaligned sections, or content that doesn't scale properly on different screen sizes. After that, click on Scan Page. Wix Studio will now scan the currently selected page for responsive issues. Give it a moment to complete the scan. Once it finishes, you'll see a list of detected issues along with suggestions on how to fix them. You can click into each issue to see exactly where the problem is on the page and apply the recommended fix. Once you're done reviewing or fixing responsive issues on that page, click on Site Checker again. This brings you back to the main checking options so you can continue testing other aspects of your site. Next, click on Fix Accessibility Issues. Accessibility is critical, especially if you want your site to be usable for everyone and compliant with best practices. Wix Studio will check things like missing alt text, contrast issues, heading structure problems, and other accessibility-related concerns that could affect users or SEO. Then click on Scan Site. Unlike the page-level scan, this option checks your entire site for accessibility issues. Let the scan run fully, and once it's complete, review the list of issues carefully. Wix Studio will guide you through fixing each problem, often with clear explanations of why the issue matters and how to resolve it correctly. After completing these checks, your site will be in much better shape in terms of responsiveness and accessibility. It's a good idea to run the site checker regularly, especially after making major layout changes or adding new content. And that's it. You now know how to test Wix site issues in Studio using the built-in site checker, how to scan for responsive issues, and how to fix accessibility problems across your entire site. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Wix Studio tutorials and web design tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.